This is the demonstration video for the installation of the medical printer. You can use this method on models 460D, 600DY, and 760DY. Start by connecting the printer to the network using an internet cable. Press the power button to switch on the printer. Press the question mark to check the printer's IP address. To change the IP address on your computer, open Internet Settings. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Open Ethernet Settings. Open Internet Protocol version 4. Put in the IP address of the DR workstation. Open VSE Value software. Enter the IP address of the printer. Click Connect. Open DICOM settings. Note down the values of AE and port. To adjust the printer IP address to the hospital's local network segment, open Network and Sharing Center. Go to Local Area Connections. Go to Properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4. Change the IP address to hospital's IP address. Our printers are compatible with front-end equipment CT, DR, MRI, PACS, and etc. Now we will demonstrate how to add printer to front-end equipments. Open Equipment software. Enter the IP address of the printer. Enter the port number. Enter AE. Select an image to send for test print. Check the mission number on the screen. When the number changes from 0 to 1, it means the printer is starting to print.